I'm the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software like tabulas or like that things from your Oppo A1. So to start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you're trying to visit any site, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So the first one to go to the settings, choose the apps, and tap on the app management. Now check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just tap on the app like that and choose uninstall. Tap on the OK, and in the second step go back to the app list. Now choose your web browser and tap on the storage usage. Manage space and choose the clear all data. Tap on the OK, and after that your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. So go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm using Avast, so you can launch it now. If you're doing it for the first time, just add a permission sticker to the files and choose the scan time, and always use the deep scan. And in this in this step, just tap on the scan now, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.